Friends, welcome to the Direct Sellers Online Certificate Program. Please note, this is a government authorized certification program with the National Skill Development and RASCI Retailers Skill Council of India, and yes, this is in collaboration with Skilled India, which is based in Sweden, and this is the first kind of program provided especially to Oriflame than any other direct selling company. So it's a prestigious and government recognized certification program. So this gets you nationally recognized certification in a very short period of time at a very less cost. And yes, this discount is applicable in only for another 2 weeks. It's in fact launched by our MD Frederick Widdell. So this has two sections. The first section is the 6 hours orientation program, where we can learn how to participate in the test, and then once we are prepared, then we can take the test in the second section, which is also an online assessment. After we pass this test, and then we get the government certificate online. So this will keep us as an authorized dealer with Oriflame, recognized by the government, and this has more value when we are working digitally. Now, and so we have a competitive edge against people who are not authorized also, and also with the other direct selling companies, because we will be getting this wonderful certificate sealed and printed from the government to us specially, and we can show it off telling that we are trained, registered, authorized dealer with the government. So this is a very prestigious certificate we get at a very nominal cost, at a very fast time also, which is not to be missed. And in fact, as you know, many of us are trained online, but we have not got any certifications. But with this certification, we will have an edge. We will have the proof that we are trained, we are knowledgeable, and in fact, we are recognized by the government of India. And so this will improve the value and standard of our business and helps us gain more opportunities. So please share this opportunity with all your active consultants so that they also can get this government authorization certification and improving their value in the business and also in the society. So this is not mandatory for everyone, but it's a very good option and a choice that any active brand partner must not compromise with. And this we are getting it very well and clearly from Oriflame. So here the price is 500 plus GST for each brand partner. But if we are going for bulk, we will be getting a discount of 25% in other 2 weeks possibly. So we want maximum participants also from our team. So it will support each of you to get this discount. So sooner the better. And we can start off the orientation program after the bulk purchase. So if you want to go individually also, please visit the website link given here, rasi.in, and then enter all your details, and you will be getting OTP to your registered mobile, and then you can make the payment, and within 24 to 48 hours you will get the access for the login ID and password. But if you are doing on bulk, please contact us. We will help you with the registration process and we will get you the discount also. So follow these instructions, and after you get the login ID and password, visit the getskills.org website and create your login ID and password and start off your course, which is for 8 modules. Each course will have a quiz. Complete the quiz and then only will be shown to the next module. After you finish everything, the second module, online assessment, will begin. So all these questions are very simple. Multiple choice questions are there, and this will not only help us improve our business skills, but also we will get the certification which proves that we are authorized dealer, we are trained skill developer, and also capable business dealer. So this certification is very important because many of us have come from different backgrounds. Many are very less educated, but here the opportunity is for everyone, that is equal. So this certification will prove that you are for big things. In fact, get all this information as you log into the RASI website in the video program. So do let us know if you wish to take up this certification as soon as possible, so that we can go for the bulk opportunity and get the discount. And this discount is applicable only for Oriflame direct selling, and this is the first kind of government authorized certification given for Oriflame. Thank you.